I told you that due to interference, there are possibilities of darkness and brightness. And how do you check whether a point will appear bright or dark? It is done using a theorem known as the superposition theorem. According to this theorem, the resultant displacement due to the superposition of a number of waves at a point at any instant is equal to the algebraic sum of the displacement due to the individual waves. That means at a particular point, because of one wave, there will be one displacement. Because of another wave at the very same point, there will be another displacement. And if you find out the value of the algebraic sum, you will get the resultant displacement. So by checking the resultant displacement, you will be able to say whether it leads to brightness or darkness. We have two waves represented as y1 equal to a sin omega t, which is the displacement produced by wave 1. y2 is equal to a sin omega t plus phi, representing the displacement produced by the wave number 2. Due to superimposition, the resultant displacement is given by y, that is equal to y1 plus y2. That is equal to a sin omega t plus a sin omega t plus phi, where phi is the phase difference. This is equal to a sin omega t plus a sin omega t cos phi plus a cos omega t sin phi. That is equal to, within bracket, a plus a cos phi sin omega t plus a sin phi cos omega t. Let y, that is the resultant displacement, is equal to r sin omega t plus theta, where r is the resultant amplitude. That is equal to r sin omega t cos theta plus r cos omega t sin theta. Now comparing the coefficients of sin omega t and cos omega t, we get r cos theta equal to a plus a cos phi and r sin theta equal to a sin phi. So what we do is we square and add. Squaring and adding, we get r square equal to a plus a cos phi whole square plus a sin phi whole square. That is equal to a square plus 2a square cos phi plus a square cos square phi plus a square sin square phi. That is equal to a square plus 2a square cos phi plus a square. Hence, capital R square equal to a square plus 2a square cos phi plus a square equal to 2a square plus 2a square cos phi. That is equal to 2a square within bracket 1 plus cos phi. This is the square of the amplitude. The intensity is proportional to square of the amplitude. So maximum amplitude is obtained when I is a maximum or when r square is a maximum. This is when cos phi equal to 1 or phi equal to 0, that is phase difference equal to 0. Hence phase difference 0 corresponds to brightness. Minimum amplitude is obtained when r square is a minimum. This is when cos phi equal to minus 1 or phi equal to 180 degree or pi radian. Hence phase difference 180 degree corresponds to darkness. We know that a phase difference 2 pi corresponds to a path difference lambda. Hence condition for brightness is path difference equal to 0, 1 lambda, 2 lambda, 3 lambda or L lambda, where n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, or phase difference equal to 0, 2 pi, 4 pi or 2n pi. Condition for darkness is phase difference equal to pi, 3 pi, 5 pi or 2n plus 1 into pi, or path difference equal to lambda by 2, 3 lambda by 2, 5 lambda by 2 or 2n plus 1 into lambda by 2, where n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3.